So, second to the last aim of research, okay? The sixth aim of research. So, to illustrate the sixth aim of research, the situation goes like this. So, suppose you conducted a research in which you have to identify the degree of life satisfaction among women, okay, with different marital status, okay. So the degree of life satisfaction is actually pertaining to the happiness in life, okay. And then these women with the different marital statuses would be your respondents. Now, the respondents, okay, you ask your respondents to rate their happiness or the degree of life satisfaction in life so that you can have a quantitative analysis, okay. So you ask them to rate your degree of life satisfaction from 0 to 6, okay, with 0 being the lowest and 6 being the highest. Okay? So, try to remember this concept. So, we can proceed to the next. Okay. So, let's say from a population, okay, population symbol is N, big letter N. From a population of 1,000 women, you only selected a sample represented by small letter n, take note, sample of 20 women. Okay. So, from a population of 1,000 women, you only got 20 samples to experiment on. Then, you ask these 20 women or 20 samples of women to answer the survey. So, after answering the survey, the average results went out like this. So, let's say single, married, divorced, and widowed. So, these are the different marital statuses. So, you got the average. So, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5. So, the average would be 5. Okay? 6, 6, 5, 4, 5. The average would be 5.2. Divorce 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. The average would be 1.2. And then the last 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. The average would be 0.8. Now, so you found out, okay, so which one has the highest value? Obviously, the single and married have the highest value. So in our chart, we decided 0 to 6, with 0 being the lowest, 6 being the highest. So meaning to say, is there a high or low rate? Obviously, there is a high rate. Meanwhile, divorced and widowed produced a low rate because it only ranges from 1 to 0.8 or to 2 or from 0 to 2. So meaning to say, is there a relative similarity or difference? Okay, so you found out here that single women and married women are most likely to be satisfied. Okay, they have their similarities. They are similar in nature because they are most likely satisfied. Okay, meanwhile, the divorced and the widowed are most likely to be unsatisfied. Okay, they are most likely to be unsatisfied. So, meaning to say they also have similarities. But Can we say that the married women and the divorced women are similar? No, they are very different from one another. Correct? Because the married women are much satisfied than the divorced women. So there is a difference between the two. Okay? So with that said, given this example, okay, given this example, so let us try to write it once more. The single and married, they are similar. Same as widowed and divorced. They are similar. However, single and widowed are different. Single and divorced are different. Married and widowed are different. Married and divorced are different. Okay? Because the single and married are much satisfied. And the widowed and divorced are much unsatisfied. Now, whenever we try to talk about similarities, we are talking about comparisons. Okay? We compare. However, when we try to find the differences, we are relating to the contrasting. We contrast. Okay? So, similarities is to comparisons and differences is to contrasting. Now, how can we relate this to the sixth aim of research? Okay? So, given that situation, our sixth aim of research is to compare and contrast. Okay, compare and contrast what? Things and other processes. So, comparing means to find similarities and contrasting means to find differences. So, that would be the sixth aim of research.